What's up guys, here's Claudio from Visual Modo WordPress themes, and in today's video we're gonna learn how to make your Windows computer faster, how to keep and maintain your computer running fine. This is a tip that you need to redo and repeat every single month on your computer, okay? So do this, it's very important to keep your computer running well. Before I can continue, please take a moment to hit the subscribe button, like this video, and share this content for a friend of yours. After this, please go to the initial panel, just like this, and into the search field, type clear, just like this. And you're gonna be able to see this option right here, clear disk cleanup system. Click on it. It's gonna load your disk, okay? You may be asked to select the disk that you would like to load the disk where you have the Windows installed, and you're gonna be requested to select some parts right here, for example, temporary files, recycle bin. Okay, for me as well. Now, all I have to do is click on Clear Up System Files. Wait a moment while the computer is scanning. And now we're gonna need to repeat the process. So let's do this again. Recycle bin, temporary files. I will not delete the system recovery, but the feedback is okay. To begin. Windows Update Cleanup. And here is the amount of size that you're gonna be saving. All you have to do is click on OK. Are you sure you want to permanently delete these files? Make sure that you only select things that you are sure you will not use, okay? It's up to you and your responsibility. Then click on delete files and wait while the process happens. I will not cut the video so you can see the time that it actually takes. And of course, remember, it's gonna change according to how big the files are, your system, your memory, your computer performance, the settings you have, the programs you are running. But as you can see, normally it's gonna take only a minute or two. But once again, I won't cut the video so you can see the process actually happening. While we wait, please take a moment to hit the subscribe button, like this video, share this content for a friend of yours, do a comment in the case that you have any question. I'm gonna be happy in helping you to make your computer safe, secure, and fast for a long time. Finished, nothing much to do, but you start gonna noticing your computer faster and with more disk space as a benefit. Feel free to use the comment section below. I hope you guys enjoyed this video. Don't forget to check out the visualmodo.com portfolio of amazing WordPress themes, blogs, artificial intelligence, and many more things in order to use international sites favor on our YouTube channel. And that is, hope you guys enjoyed this video, and I see you tomorrow. All the best!